Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at NICE, and on this chart I am tracking here to the upside a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then we are in a larger third wave to the upside. I do have to say it could be a double 1-2 1-2 pattern. Doesn't change much at all, if anything, as far as we are still within this larger third wave. But yeah, for now I would say that this still has a few more moves to actually complete, and the way I would count it is a wave 1 up here, a wave 2 down, and this third wave could be complete, but at the moment I still prefer another high within it, and then we would still need a fourth and a fifth afterwards to complete the larger third wave. But within this third wave that is not yet complete, in my opinion, I think we have 3 waves complete. We are in the fourth wave right now, and I would expect the fourth wave to find support in the support zone between $193 down to around $109 level, and then reverse to the upside and form a new high and complete the third wave. But I have to say, this correction to the downside looks quite complex. It is not our usual ABC pattern that we tend to track. So this looks actually more like a WXY correction. If this were to develop as an ABC pattern, this C wave would end up going quite a lot further down, I would expect, and probably break the wave 4 support zone for this scenario. Maybe not in the case where the third wave, this larger third wave topped here, then it could extend down a little bit further. But still, I would still prefer tracking the higher support zone for now. And yeah, if we break, we do have that as a fallback scenario, but at the moment I intend to track this as a WXY pattern, and normally the same as it is for an ABC pattern, when the C wave is expected, or not expected, but the ideal target for a C wave is the 100% extension of the wave A. The same way it goes here, that the wave Y is ideal target is the 100% extension of the wave W. So in this case I could say that the ideal target, let me readjust this really quick, but I could say that the ideal target for a wave Y would be the $126 level, and we are actually quite close to that. And in this wave Y to the downside, I could say that we have an ABC that is developing, and we could be in the C wave to the downside here, where we formed a 5-wave move in the wave A. We have our wave B in 3 waves, and now we expect also a 5-wave move in the wave C. It is a little bit difficult to make this count as a 5-wave pattern, not the best looking one, but I could say like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where the wave 4 retraced quite very much. Yeah, that retraced a lot, so I'm not a big fan of this interpretation, but at the moment I believe it is okay to track, and to keep in mind that maybe it develops more of something like a third wave down here, where this was an ABC that develops, and yeah, then I could see this third wave extending a bit more, and then we could still see a fourth and a fifth. Sometimes, although I want to say that sometimes this last 4 or 5 doesn't happen in such movements, in such corrections, and it just forms a higher low and then boom, goes to the upside. So you need to keep that in mind if you really intend to enter a position on this. But still, I would believe that we may still go lower within this third wave to the downside, and I would say it is a bit hard to give a resistance zone in this area, because the target is still moving. We are still pushing lower even at the moment. But if we bottomed here, and you can actually draw this for yourself afterwards if you want to, I would look for a break above 150. No, actually, I want to count this as a diagonal pattern. So I would be looking for a break above $155.7 to really discount the idea that we are still going directly lower in this third wave within the wave C, within the wave Y. So yeah, for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.